Let me ask you something. Do you ever feel like you want to change your life, but you're just too tired to start? You plan big goals. You promise yourself, from tomorrow, I'll be different. But tomorrow comes and nothing changes. You're not lazy, you're overwhelmed. And maybe the problem isn't lack of motivation. Maybe you just need tiny habits, small ones, simple ones. Today, I'll share 7 tiny Japanese habits that quietly changed my life. And if you try even one, you'll feel the difference. Let's start. 1. Kaizen, 1% better. In Japan, there's a word, kaizen. It means small improvement every single day. Not 10 hours of study, not a crazy transformation, just 1% better. Your brain hates big pressure, but it loves small wins. Small progress releases dopamine. Dopamine builds momentum. So instead of saying, I'll study 5 hours, say, I'll study 20 minutes. That's it. Tiny, but powerful. And when you repeat it daily, confidence grows. Now let's talk about something even simpler. 2. Make your bed. Yes, seriously, make your bed. It takes 1 minute, but your brain registers it as a completed task. Psychology calls this the progress effect. You start your day with a win, and wins create momentum. Your life may feel messy, but your bed isn't. That small control changes your mindset. Now imagine if your whole room felt like that. 3. The 5-minute clean rule. Messy desk, messy mind. Research shows clutter increases stress hormones. That's why you feel distracted even before studying. So here's the rule. 5 minutes every day. Set a time. Clean your desk, organize your bag, throw away trash. Not perfect, just better. You'll notice something strange. Your focus improves because clarity outside creates clarity inside. Now let's upgrade your attention. 4. Single tasking. No multitasking. No phone. No switching apps. No music with lyrics. Just one task for 25 minutes. That's it. Studies show multitasking reduces productivity by almost 40%. It feels productive, but it destroys focus. At first, you'll feel restless. That's normal. Your brain is addicted to stimulation. But if you practice this daily, your concentration becomes stronger, like a muscle. Now let's fix procrastination. 5. Start before you feel ready. Listen carefully. You will rarely feel motivated. Motivation comes after action, not before. So next time you don't feel like studying, tell yourself just 2 minutes. Open the book. Read 1 paragraph. That's it. Because once you start, your brain wants to continue. This is called the Zeigarnik effect. Your mind hates unfinished tasks, so starting small is the secret weapon. And now, something deeper. 6. Embrace small discomfort. In Japan, effort is respected. Struggle is normal. But we avoid discomfort. We choose easy. We delay hard things. Growth doesn't live in comfort. It lives in small discomfort. Study the hardest subject first. Wake up 20 minutes earlier. Take the stairs. Each small win against comfort changes your identity. You stop seeing yourself as lazy. You start seeing yourself as disciplined. And identity is everything. Now the final habit. Before sleeping, take 3 minutes. Ask yourself, what did I do well today? What can I improve tomorrow? No self-hate, just awareness. This is called Hansei. Reflection builds clarity, and clarity builds control. Most students repeat the same mistakes because they never pause long enough to notice them. Awareness is power. Listen, you don't need a dramatic life reset. You don't need extreme motivation. You need tiny habits, tiny improvements, tiny discipline, tiny awareness. And over time, they build a powerful identity. If you've been feeling stuck, you're not broken. You're just one small habit away from momentum. Start tonight, just one. And if this helped you even a little bit, subscribe, because we're building a better version of you, one tiny habit at a time.